Hello and welcome back, my DIY mommies. Today, as you can see, this is a horror theme, and we are going to have a little Halloween party. This is the very first time I'm ever going to attend it or ever going to organize it. So, first, I just did some horror alphabets and some horror cutouts for this Halloween theme. As you can see, I involved Naira in everything that I do. These are some pumpkin cutouts and a spider web that I drew on the glass because it's easily removable from the glass. So all the decorations I prefer to do it on the glass because after the party we want our house to be back to normal, right? This is a game that we made in a box, trick or treat, some chocolates and some other things. This is the final outlook of bats and other Halloween stuff and how it's looking. To add the look, I also added this black lizard, and these are the return favors that I'm going to give to all the kids and waiting for kids to arrive. That's the hat for Naira to dress up. This is the pumpkin. Without pumpkin, it's always incomplete. And here I'm ready for the party. Now want to see the kids? Here they are. A little witches and a little dresser for the Halloween theme. Some filters to this is how cute they roll. I'm sure you love it too. Theme. And some drama, of course, to add to the effect to it. And this is my little poser trying to imitate me. Cute, isn't it? And some more of our friends. First, I asked them to color the Halloween theme. So this is how our kids are coloring. Happy Halloween cards for them. Coloring is a big time pass to start till all the other kids gather. So the colorful papers with Halloween theme prints and they're coloring. Where I had also introduced a digital game in the mobile where they had to pick all the things and they would get points, as you can see. This is available on mobile. Mobile games are always more fun, and you can keep the record and then give the prize to the most deserved one or the highest scorer. Other guests also accompanied us, and of course, using different filters and then was always fun. And Halloween with their charges. So these are Naira's charges. Thank you for being a part of Naira's Halloween party. And smoke is something that creates an effect and enthusiasm in the kids to see that how smoke is there. So all I did is brought some dry ice and added some water to it. And this is here we are, the ding bang for the Halloween, all dressed in black and wondering from where the smoke is coming. And it was a very exciting factor for all the kids to learn how smoke is not even warm and still the smoke is continuously coming. It's easy and even you can try it. Even without Halloween, I think smoke is always fun. Look what Naira is doing. Yeah, like a little magic in herself. So here are some other stills from my Halloween party. Hope you liked a little effort, and without Halloween, celebrating Halloween was really more memorable and incredible. And the whole idea, the whole wish was Naira's. Invited list to the decoration, everything was planned by Naira. So for this DIY, I'm sure you have to thank her. Without thank you for watching, thank you for being connected and do your little treats and items and all the satin around and do had all the favorite yummy items. We also went to other houses for trick and treat, where whole Jing Bang was just following and going to other houses for treats. That was also a part of the plan and the part of Halloween party. You'll see a glimpse at the last. Hope you enjoyed it. Do try it and let me know. So thank you everyone for making this little Halloween party successful and dressing up and coming for us and planning things with us in our craziness. This is where my kids go to other houses to take sweets, and it was a windy day and fun for all, and seeing little kids roam about was a real delight to eyes. So thank you all for making this Halloween party successful and hope to be connected very soon.